Okay, students, good morning to all of you. Today we have to start our chemistry classes. Chapter 1. We have to start chapter 1. Chemistry. Chapter 1. Chapter name Matters in our surroundings. Matter in our surroundings. Matters in our surroundings. Last day we have to study about what is matter. It means then the definition of matter and the examples also. The topics we have to read last classes. How can we identify matter? How can we identify matters? It means that which are matter or which are not matters. How can we identify? Okay. There are some basic concepts to identify which are matters and which are not matters. I have given some examples for this. There are some confusion also in when I unmute you, then you ask your confusion. Okay. Firstly, how can we identify matters? Some matters you have to identify by their touch. You identify by touch, smell, by smell, weight, next you have to identify seat, you also identify, you feel, right. Okay. You also identify some methods by feel. Okay, but here is some confusion when I given some examples, then you also confuse. I clear your confusion. These are some basic ideas to identify which are matters or which are not matters. On the basis of visibility, matters are two types. I also define on the basis of visibility. On the basis of visuality, on the basis of visuality, visuality, uh, matters are two types. First one is visible matter. visible matters, the matters we can see easily or by naked eye. We also write here the matters, the matters, the matters which we can see with naked eyes. Then these are matter. And second, invisible matter. Invisible, invisible matter. We can write here. We also give examples here. Some examples here. Some examples here. Okay, you see matters making from woods. You see again matter making from stone. You see matter making from atom and molecules. You also see atoms and molecules. Atoms and molecules. Okay, or compounds also. Atom, molecules or compounds. etc. So some are visible matters. There are some examples of visible matters. Okay, and second last, I say you invisible matters. Second, invisible matter. You understand? Invisible means you can't see your naked eye. As for example, I write here you can't see it by naked eye. We can't see with naked eye. Okay. As for example, atoms you can't see, molecules you can't see. Okay, gases you can't see. etc. These are the examples you can't see from your naked eye. Okay, so these are some examples on the basis of visibility. I told you so which are matters, visibility, which are visible matters or which are invisible matter. Okay, by the help of microscope we see atom, molecules, gases, the particles of atoms, molecules and gases, etc., ions वगैरह. These are the invisible matters. Okay, please take a screenshot of this page. Students, please take a screenshot of this page. Okay, I hope you take a screenshot of this page. We go in next page. I write here some examples like these types which are matters and which are not matters. How can you identify? Some basic ideas also. First one, we write here by note points. Notes. First point, subatomic particles are matter. Subatomic, subatomic particles. Some atomic particles are matter. Are matters. Some atomic particles are matters. Some atomic particles means, as for example, we see read solids. All solids are subatomic particles matter. Liquids and gases and gases. Okay, these are the subatomic particles. Note 2, we write here atoms are matter. Atoms of atoms are matters. Yeah, atoms of different animals are matters. Okay, as for example, I write here atoms of oxygen. For example, atoms of oxygen, atoms of hydrogen. Okay, atoms of nitrogen. It is okay. Next example, molecules molecules of yeah, molecules are matter. Molecules are matter. As for examples, molecules of water, 1 minute please. Molecules of water, molecules of oxygen gas, oxygen gas, etc. Okay, uh, what is atom, what is molecules, we also discuss in later class. Okay, some examples also we have. Compounds are matter. Compounds are matter. All compounds. As for examples, H2O, H2SO4, okay, HCl, NaOH, these all are compounds, etc. These are matter. Okay, and last point we have to write here, fifth point we have to write here, trees right here, this type also. All living and non-living things are matter. All living and non-living. Right here, living and non-living things are matter. We also are matter, you also are matter. Okay, these all are matters, right? These are some concept, through this you identify which are matters. So please take a screenshot of this page. And I also I also told about which substances are not matter in next page. I hope you take a screenshot of this page. We also go in next page. Okay, here we have to teach about read about which are not matters. Okay, here we have to read, we have to read about which are not matter, which are not matter. This is very important. How can you say these things are not matter? First one, how you can say these are not matters? Types of energy, types of energy, types of energy are not matter, are not matter. Remember this point. As for example, light, it is a type of energy, not matter. Heat, it is a type of energy, not matter. Okay, motion, it is a type of energy, it's not matter. And these are so many examples which are not matters. Okay, so remember these things. Next point we have to write here, sensation. If you feel sensation, sensations, if you feel sensations, if you feel sensation, as for example, sensations are not matter, are not matter, sensation are not matter. As for examples, as for examples, as for example, a smells are not matter. A smell of perfume, a smell of anything which are not matter. Okay, next one, pain, any type of pain, 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 dard, it is not matter. And these types of things, these are not matters. Okay, okay, wait some minutes. Students, I come back. Okay. These are not matters. I also discussed about the smell. Which type of smell are not matters and which type of smell are matters. I define it is a confused topic. Okay, remember it. Next one, emotions are not matter. Emotions are not matter. Emotions are not matter. As for example, anger, okay, affection, affection, love, fear, etc. These are not matters. Okay. Next, time. Unit of time is not matter. Time or unit of time. Unit of time is not matter. Okay. Time or unit of time is not matter. As for example, hour, minute, second, etc. or any type of unit of time is not matter. Okay. These are some ideas. According to these ideas, you identify matters. I hope you all understand and you also have some confusion. So to clear your confusion, I unmute you all and I hope you ask your confusion and doubts by serially, not all one times. Okay, please take a screenshot of this page firstly. Okay, I unmute you all. Please ask your question. Please ask your question.
Yes,
Sir,
Yes, sir.
One by one, one by one. Please ask your question one by one.
सर
सर नोट्स में
पेज
आपने
में
सर समझ में नहीं
सर
आया।
नोट्स में आपने
सर समझ में नहीं आया।
लिखा था
सर नहीं आ रहा
सर
फर्स्ट पेज में आप हाउ कैन वी आइडेंटिफाई मैटर में थर्ड पॉइंट क्या लिखा है?
थर्ड नंबर पे सर क्या लिखा